Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Morning we have taken no referral system in same topic only, same chapter. Okay. Referral system is sending from one place to another. In that, health care is there. Level of health care. Okay. In referral system, level of health care is there. Health care is multitude of services rendered to individual, families, or communities by the agent of health service or profession for the purposes of promoting, maintaining, monitoring, or restoring health. That is the level of health care. It means health care is a multitude of services rendered to individual, families, or communities by the agent of health services or professional for the purposes of promoting, maintaining, monitoring, or restoring health. The healthcare goals of system is health development, process of continuous and progressive improvement of health status of the population. And to achieve the goal, healthcare services are usually organized at 3 levels. Okay, each level supported by the higher level to which the client is referred. These levels are primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary prevention. Okay, in primary healthcare means also called essential healthcare or healthcare at doorstep. Okay, also called essential healthcare or healthcare at doorstep. It is the first level of contact of individual, the family and community with the national health system where primary health care is provided. Primary means the first care. Okay. A level of health care, it is close to the people where most of the health problem can be dealt with and resolved. Okay, first time we are going in a home and we are giving the given that care means that is the primary health care. It provided village level through the primary health center and their sub-center through the agency or multi-purpose health worker, village health guide, ASHA worker and trained guys. Okay, these are they are given the care, that is the primary health care. They are going in their home and they are given the first grade, that is the primary health care. The measure of the health promotion and prevention are taken maximum effort at the level of healthcare. People are made self-reliant and beside providing primary health care is a village health team, bridge your culture and community and a gap between rural people and recognized health sector. Primary health care means first care, they are going home and they are given the care anywhere, home or village, school, anywhere they are going and given the care. That is the primary health care. Next one is the secondary care. The next higher level of care is the secondary. It is means intermediate health care level. All this level more complex problem are dealt with the care is generally provided in this hospital and community centers, which also serve as the first referral level. And curative services are provided at this level. Okay, secondary level means when we are referring the patient to another center. Okay, that is the secondary care. The next higher level of care is the secondary, intermediate health care level. All this level more complex problem are deal with the care is hospital and Vaishu? Achai vidu. Okay, sorry, okay. Secondary. Okay, you can hear my sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Secondary. Okay, it is means in middle care level. Okay, when one patient we are going home and we are taking giver, we are taking the patient in sub center or primary center. Then what we will do, we will send the patient to the secondary. It means middle anybody is there, government sector, any small hospital like that. Okay, that is a secondary care level. Next one is the tertiary level. The tertiary level is a more specialized specific facilities and attention of highly specialized health worker. This care is provided by the regional or central level institution. Example, medical college. 1 minute. Medical college, the hospital, anywhere. Okay, it means a high level, high super specialty hospital. That is the tertiary level. All Indian Institute, regional hospital, specialized hospital, and other apex institution. Okay, now you can understand what is the levels of healthcare. It means as before I am taken class, that time I told we are referring the patient to low level to high level. That only same level of healthcare. It means primary prevention, secondary prevention, tertiary prevention. Primary prevention means first care, maybe in home or small hospital, and secondary means in middle government hospital level. Next, tertiary means high medical college. Okay, that is the health care level. Okay, understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the healthcare settings. Okay, then healthcare setting organization to country extend from the national to village level. From the total organization structure include the setting of healthcare system at national, state, district, regional, taluk, and village level. That is the healthcare settings. National level, regional level, district level, taluk level, community level, PHSC, and village level. National level means the organization at the national level consists of the Union Ministry Welfare. Okay, the national level healthcare means this is a Union Ministry Welfare. The ministry has to technical department, the General of Health Services, and the family in a sub-center primary. It is a national. Okay, national means our national. Which is our national? Don't know? Your nation where?
India.
What is the
India, ma'am.
India? Okay. The Indian level. It means totally nationally, our national level only. Next one is the state level. Which is your state?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Okay, that is the state level. The organization at the state level is under the state level development of health and family welfare. In each state handled by the minister and with the secretariat under the charge of secretary health and family welfare. It means in state level we have, national level we have one minister. It means health minister. Okay. And state level we have one health minister and family welfare society, and dividing national level, state level. Okay, that state level they have some responsibility. The State Directorate of the Health Service, as the technical wings is called, it is attached office of the State Department of Health and headed by the Directorate of the Health Service. That is the state level healthcare. And the fundamental and necessary function of healthcare system to provide sound referral system. It must be two-way exchange of the information and return patient to those who are referred them for follow-up care, training, research, rehabilitation activities taken place at this level. In our state, one state health minister is there, means any small problem happening in our village about referral system or anything, any disease, means suddenly she or he will take action. Nowadays like that only. In your place, I don't know. In my place means Kerala, in Kerala, anything happening about health problem. It means at least small mistake also government side, government hospital, anybody doing means suddenly they will take the action. That is the state level action. Okay, some responsibility. Understood? National level, state level.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Next one is the regional level. In the state of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and other zonal, regional or divisional setup has been created between the state director or health services and district health administration. Each regional zonal setup covers 3, 4 or 5 districts and acts under the authorities by the director of the health service. Regional center, in your place, I don't know. Regional is there. It means some big place, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and zonal region is there. Okay, there also have some type of the health service in district health administration. And each regional zonal setup in Karnataka, I am so many place, but in Kerala not having zonal area. It means the zonal setup cover area is there. That is the regional level. They have some responsibility for a health care. Next one is the district level. The district level setting of the health service is a middle level management organization. And it is a linkage system between the state as well as regional structure on a one side and a peripheral level settings, PHSE as well as sub-center on the other side. It is receive the information from the state level and transmit the sample of the priority of the suitable modification meet to local needs. And the director of public health and prevention medicine is the overall control of the state and health officer to joint director. He is overall the charge of the health and family welfare program in the district. He is in charge of the implementation program according to the policies laid down and finalized at the higher level and state and center. It means a district level. One district in your place, Midinapur in your one district name is there, no? In that like that, so many district is there in our state. In a district base, each PHSE center is there. Each now one village, one society PHSE center is there. No, otherwise community health center is there. They will do some responsibility and as a health service. Okay, that is the district level. Next, community level means for successful primary health program, effectively referral support to provider. For this purposes, one community health center is being established with 8,000 to 1,20,000 population and is controlled the basic specialty and gynecology. Community level, some pediatric and some gynec they will treat in community level. Okay. And PHSE level community level block which covers 30,000 more population. Aimed establishment PHSE for every 30,000 population. Many rural repairers, health assistant, one male, one female, and health worker and supporting staff. In PHSE level means 30,000 population is there, means there one PHSE center is there. They will make the health care and they will one female worker, one male worker is there. They will look all health services. Next one is the sub center. The most peripheral health institutional facility will be the subcenter manned by one male, one female multi-purpose health worker. At present, the most place is one subcenter about 4,862 population. It is aimed to have subcenter 5,000. In subcenter means there are only 5,000 population. Okay, next village level. Through they say that the most peripheral health institutional facility in subtender at the village level about 1,000 population or about. Okay, you can see now I'm village 1,000, subcenter 5,000, PHSC 30,000, community 80,000 to 1 lakh. Understand? Like that population going, and in this each dividing population, it means 5,000 population is there, means there one village level is there. Okay, and sorry, 1,000, 5,000 means one subcenter is there, and 30,000 means PHSC level is there, and 80,000 to 1,20,000 means community level is there. Okay, for you people, you have a maybe true or false or filling the blanks. Maybe they will ask PHSC level how much population, or subcenter how much population, or village level how much population. Okay, they will give 1,000, 5,000 and 10. Like that question will come in this topic. Okay, now understand referral system in levels of healthcare.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? No. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now, one chapter finished referral system. Understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice or
Nice,
bad?
ma'am.
Easily you can study now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All notes you should maintain, okay? Right.
Yes.
Nightly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. എന്ത് ചപ്പാത്തി വേണോ ചായ തന്നിട്ട് ചപ്പാത്തിയും രണ്ടൂന്ന് ബീഫും അതിനകത്ത് അവിടെ കൊണ്ടുവച്ചില്ല എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട അവിടെ കൊണ്ടുപോയി തുറന്ന് ഇന്ന് അതിനകത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് വെള്ളം അതിനകത്തുണ്ട് ഓക്കെ ബൈ